We are here. You know where we're at, man. One of the last videos with the C63. Kind of a sad time, to be honest with you, but I just got the notification, the email or whatever, that my C8 is gonna be ready. That being said, I think it's about time that we say goodbye to the C63, man. We're gonna run the M3 and the Corvette. But first, this needs to be fixed up a little bit. If you remember, someone fucking sideswiped me, and a lot of people were asking, bro, you have a C63, why didn't you chase him? That's a good point. But the way it was is like, I was in the middle lane and the traffic was going this way. There was no way I was whipping a 180 in LA traffic and chasing them. Like, they were already gone. By the time I looked in the rear view, there was like 3 cars past, so sucks. But yeah, some cars sideswiped me, took off a little bit of this, dented this end. Yeah, there's a little bit of, we need to fix this. That's a little bit rough. But then other than that, it should be pretty good. Yeah, I don't think, maybe a little re-wrap. I let my dog Kento out the window a lot, so I almost slipped. Oh my God. There's like a lot of, I don't even know if you can see that. There's like scratches and shit right here just because he hangs out the window. So maybe re-wrap this door. I don't even know. We'll see what Dave at Studio Motors has for us. Just want to get her nice and ready to sell before, you know, get the most money possible. See, how are you?
Good, man. How are you?
Chilling. Is that yours?
That's the Raptor R, bro. That's the
oh,
fucking V8 one. Yeah,
damn.
man, it sounds crazy.
No way.
Yeah, dude. I 171,000.
What?
Yeah,
on the truck?
Yeah.
Nice, from Texas. That's fine.
Peeled the stickers off of it.
Oh, so it's brand new.
It's brand new. It just landed. Yeah.
Fuck, that's awesome.
Yeah. But if you hit the back.
Just from the factory?
From the factory.
That's fucking awesome. Damn. Did they make a lot of these? Probably not, right?
No, bro. You can't fucking get them. You can't get them. It's fucking impossible to get.
That is awesome. I had to go out to
Texas to pull this thing.
No shit.
A few moments later.
Did like 7 offers on a punk bitch. Vroom. I think Vroom actually fucks me every single time. I've never used Vroom. I've never gotten a good price from them. Their shit is awful. 39. All right, we're getting into like decent territory right here. Honestly, anything over 40 I would have taken. So this one from Carvana, hey, I was kind of happy with. I feel like they offered me less like a year ago, which is super weird. Then it went up a little bit. Shout out to the boys over at Car Gurus, you know what I mean? But honestly, 43.4, goddamn CarMax. I would have been super hyped with that. That's, I guess, what they're selling for, or that's the trade-in range. So honestly, at the bottom end of the trade-in range, but shout out to motherfucking Kelly Blue Book, bro. 45.2. Let's go sell this Benz. There she is, man. Fully unwrapped. I actually need to put the badges on real quick before we sell it. So I need to put like the V8 and the C63S and everything. But wow, it's crazy to see her like this, man. This car was wrapped purple for a majority of her life. She's looking good, all black though. I kind of forgot. I mean, look at that. She's looking spotless. I'm not sure the last time I remember her looking this good, man. We even got the fresh matte. They're gonna be like, wow, we'll give you even more money than I thought. Just kidding, I wish. But I'm gonna miss this bad boy, man. There's nothing like, I don't know, a little sentimental. Let's do one last POV drive. We're gonna go to the dealership actually to sell this bad boy. Actually, first, it's low on tire pressure. I just want to make sure there's no like lights or anything on. I'm going to put it on an empty tank. Actually, how much gas do we have left? Don't reset it yet. Oh shit, I have less than like 10-15 miles. Oh, I'm gonna miss her, man. I'm going from one V8 to another. If you don't know, I am selling this car for the C8 Corvette. I know that's gotta be one of the hottest, like, it's not a hot take per se, but a lot of people will say, Eric, I would have much rather had the, you know, foreign Mercedes over the C8, especially because honestly nowadays I see way more C8 Corvettes than anything else. Oh, getting a phone call. We're talking about C classes in general. Definitely see more of this car than pretty much any other car, especially in LA, but C63s, you don't really see much. C63Ss, you don't really see much. I do see a C8 every single day for sure. It's gonna be a sad day, especially because this was my dream car actually for a fat minute. When I first started getting into cars, like when I was 15 years old or something like that, the W204 C63 was like my dream car. I remember I saw a YouTuber with it, Optic Big Timer, he was a video game player and he had that whip, and I was like, I need to find a way to make some money because I need this fucking car in my life. And then a few years later, was blessed enough to drive it for a couple years. Now we're gonna sell it for something, in my opinion, better, more exciting. So I don't know, one last POV drive in this bad boy before we gotta sell it. Where's my fucking, oh, look at that. That's so dope. Before I sold this car, I always heard that you could take this out and like put it on your wrist, like as a wristwatch. I kind of wanted to do that before I sold it, but we'll be all right. Oh my God, my tires are all fucked up. They're pretty much all underinflated. I'm doing good, man. How are you? The last fill up. I'm not even gonna put that much gas in. I'm gonna put like $10 worth. A couple gallons, you know what I mean? Oh Lord, what's going on here? I'm sorry? Yeah. And the guy just said he's gonna give me some cologne. He's Italian. I don't know what's going on. Nice to meet you.
I'm Italian.
Yeah.
And I go to the airport now.
No, it's okay. I'll take some for free though if you're giving it out.
This is free.
Okay.
This gift for free.
This,
can you help me?
it's a little buy one, get one.
Just this. The rest
No, I'm okay. Yeah, I'm okay. Have a good one though. Yeah. Felt like I was in Vegas for a little bit, bro. Classic little scam. I mean, it wasn't even a scam, but I don't even know what's going on right there. Let's, yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, I gotta go left right here. That's so bummy. Unless, nah, there's way too many. Fuck. Oh, actually, we're bumming it. Let's go. Ooh, the Urus. Hear that shit? I'm gonna miss it, man. I'm gonna miss it. So weird. I was so excited to get rid of this for like months, but now that it's actually happening, I'm like, I don't want it to go. We did not have as much good luck this time selling this Mercedes compared to my last one. If you guys remember, my last one had a couple issues on it and I just wanted to get out of it and I got way more than I was planning to. This one was the opposite. I was thinking the same thing's gonna happen. We got some issues with it and I was like, I just wanna get out of it. Hopefully we can get more. And that was almost the case, but almost every single dealership I went to here in Cali lowballed me. Either one or two actually did their like due diligence and was like, yo, this car's kind of fucked up. We can't really buy it for the price that you want. So bid lane was cool. They paid off my loan, a little bit extra. You know, that's all I can ask for. I just want to get out of this car. I don't want to pay any more money for it. So we're done. We're done with it, man. This is the final chapter. This was my dream car for when I was a child. 16, 17 was my very first ever dream car. Like that attainable dream car. Like everyone wants a fucking Ferrari, Lamborghini. But like a $60,000 V8, that's possible for a lot of people. You know what I mean? I'm glad I was able to accomplish it. Drive it for 2 years. Almost on the dot too. I realized that my loan started for this car 2 years ago. Like 2 years and 1 day ago. So it was a fun 2 years. I had a fun time with it. And it's time for the C8 and the M3 chapter of my life. Let's go.
Can I see the color? Oh, silver.
Nice.
It's a genuine GTS hatch. Oh my god, I wish. Just no motor right now.
Oh, the Red Bull can?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Or just purple? It's purple engine bay. Wow.
What are you gonna drop in it?
Oh, it's my SAR. So we still have.
You'll see the engine. It's inside. See,
Wait,
the
is it
E30
green?
engine is over there.
It's not green.
Oh,
SRs.
look at
These are both fully built. This one's going into the 30 right now. This is the one I built for the S13. But this one is waiting for sequential. Because I'm not running my S13 with another stock trans because of blowing up a 12 one. Bella, be nice.
right hand drive. That's the curviest, craziest monitor I've ever seen. Oh my lord! All the sticks are in. That's crazy.
Let's see.
Oh, you're ready, huh?
I'm ready.
Dude, did you see how many GPUs are in that thing?
No, I just saw the sticks are RAM.
3 GPUs, and we have a fourth one right now. I bought an A6000.
3 GPUs. Oh my goodness!
Oh my god, I can't reach these pedals. How do I adjust?
It's a short board, short king.
Shut the fuck up. Dude, this is so much nicer than my setup. This is ridiculous. Oh my god. This is awesome.
These are real cards too.
Sorry, let me turn the convertible on for you. Get the real feel.
It's an index, huh? Oh.
So basically, all the suspension in this car is fully reverse engineered. Actually, this whole car is. So we use this to do vehicle dynamic simulation and actually design new suspension geometry this way.
Wow, that's insane.
Yeah.
You saw the scanner, right?
Ridiculous, bro. Yeah, that scanner is like.
Yeah. So to do this, it takes a $35,000 for your scanner and a $15,000 server.
And you just walk up and just like literally scan it and it'll just basically put it straight into the server.
It's a bit more complicated now, but sort of. Okay. Look straight. Look straight ahead. I'm going to set your VR camera. That's good.
Yeah.
Look left. Set up. Oh.
This is so different.
Baby praying mantis.
Oh my.
What the
It
fuck?
really is a big praying mantis. What the fuck? That's crazy.
Oh, they're watching me. Where's the e-brake?
Speakers on left.